It doesn't roll into camp, it erupts. In under 2 minutes, OPUS OP4 inflates into a 10-person fortress with a full kitchen, outdoor shower, and annexed living space. Its dual shock absorbers and galvanized chassis chew through terrain that would leave others stranded. This isn't camping, it's survival with style, powered by lithium and built for the edge of the map. And if you're ready to leave the grid behind, the price is $31,900. You don't baby your truck, so why baby your gear? The decked CargoGlide hauls up to 2,200 pounds with one-hand pull-out precision, locking in place with a steel backbone and American grit. 75 to 100% extension options mean no crawling, no bruised knees, no wasted time. It's built to take abuse, with D-ring tie-downs that slide like they mean it, and a weatherproof frame that doesn't flinch. Starts at $1,499. The hatch clicks open, and the world tilts. Suddenly, the roof becomes a launch pad. This is the Alu-Cab Gen 3R, a low-profile, solar-ready monolith of aluminum and intention, built for the kind of travel that doesn't ask permission. Inside, insulation wraps the walls, LED lights glow like cockpit instruments, and USB-C ports hum quietly beside your dreams. You leave your bedding inside, because when the moment comes, you deploy, not unpack, for $4,849. It starts with a pulse, then the pavement glows like a warning, like a signal, like a dare. The OPT7 Aura RGB Underglow kit syncs to your music, casting full-spectrum color through 4 rigid aluminum LED strips. Its waterproof housing and Bluetooth control system hide beneath the chassis, waiting for the night to fall. With SoundSync technology, every bass drop becomes a flashpoint, every corner a stage. It costs $127. The Rhino USA Ultimate Recovery Tow Strap, 4 inches wide and 30 feet long, is lab-tested to a braking strength of 41,611 pounds. Triple reinforced loop ends and military-grade webbing mean it doesn't flinch when the trail turns savage. It's not pretty, it's not polite. It's the strap that shows up when everything else gives out. And it does all that for $54. No bolts, no racks, no tools. The flated air carrier inflates in minutes, adds 15 cubic feet of rooftop storage, and folds into a duffel when done. Its drop-stitch construction resists water, wind, and UV without adding bulk or noise. Dual-side access zippers and universal mounting straps keep it simple, even when the road isn't. The silence of design costs $549. When the sky opens wide and the land stretches endless, shade becomes a sacred thing. The ARB 4x4 accessories retractable. Awning anchors to your roof rack, unfurling a 300 GSM polycotton ripstop canvas with UVP 50+ protection. Its anodized telescopic legs and reinforced aluminum extrusions hold steady in wind and wilderness alike. Stored in a heavy-duty PVC bag, it's ready the moment you stop chasing the horizon. And for that kind of shelter, the number is simple: $299. The engine hummed, the rain tapped the windshield, and the road stretched on like a promise. From the 12-volt socket, the Handpresso auto-portable espresso machine hissed to life. 19 bars of pressure, brewing rich espresso in under 3 minutes. It fits snug in your cup holder, accepts ESE pods, and delivers 53 milliliters of creamer-topped clarity when you need it most. French engineered for the traveler who refuses to compromise. That ritual of motion and caffeine, it costs $149. You're stranded, the battery's dead, and the night is closing in. The ZipCharge Go portable EV charger rolls out like luggage but hides a 4 kWh battery and a 7.2 kW output. It plugs into your EV's Type 2 port, delivering up to 64 kilometers of range in under an hour. App-controlled, UK-built, and designed for the moment you didn't plan for. The price of Escape is exactly $2,000. The Load My Boat automatic rear boat loader lifts up to 400 pounds of aluminum boat from ground to rack in under 45 seconds. Its marine-grade aluminum frame bolts to mid- and full-size trucks, powered by a sealed 12-volt motor and guided by wireless control. Built in Canada, it turns solo loading into a one-button ritual. For the freedom to launch alone, the cost is $3,995. A dent is a memory you didn't make, but you can erase it. This 45-piece Paintless body dent repair kit includes a golden lifter, adjustable bridge puller, and a 100-watt glue gun to reverse the damage. It works without paint, without drills, and without apology, restoring panels from hail, dings, and door hits. Precision tabs and tools for the hands that fix what others would replace. All that control, all that closure, for $39. No rails, no noise, no permanence. The Pack Rack Inflatable Roof Rack by Sea to Summit straps on in minutes, inflates with an integrated Airstream pump sack, and carries boards, boats, or skis with 420 denier TPU laminated nylon tubes. It packs into a 4-liter stuffed sack and disappears when the trip ends. Minimalist, modular, and made for the gear you don't leave behind. The number is quiet too, $99. The car turns right, and so does your spaceship. HoloRide syncs real-time vehicle motion with virtual reality, transforming every acceleration, stop, and curve into a fully immersive experience. Compatible with HTC Vive Flow and powered by a growing library of games and edutainment, it reduces motion sickness by aligning visuals with the car's movement. Passengers no longer ride, they travel through worlds that move with them. And for that kind of magic, the Pioneers pack begins at $699. 12 inches of rise, zero compromise. The any-level lift hydraulic suspension gives late-model heavy-duty trucks full ride height control without wrecking steering geometry, axle alignment, or ride quality. It's patented, it's hydraulic, and it's built for those who demand stance, clearance, and towing versatility in one brutal system. From slammed to sky-high, it moves like muscle memory. And that kind of command starts at $17,995.